RoshRonRockzz presents the magic of mail. Learn about the Postal Service with us. The Postal Service is one of the earliest means of communication that helps people send and receive letters and parcels. World Postal Day is celebrated on October 9th, highlighting the importance of postal services in connecting people globally. In the past, before phones and emails, it was the only way to communicate over long distances. Even earlier, messages were carried by foot runners, horses, or messengers on elephants. The introduction of the postal system made distant communication faster and easier, helping people stay connected and share important news. We write letters and drop them into local post boxes. Stamps are used to pay for the cost of sending the letter. A postman collects the letters and takes them to the central post office for sorting. The stamp is sealed to show that the letter has been officially accepted by the Postal Service. Letters are sorted by hand according to their destination cities or villages. Then they are sent by planes, trains, boats, or horse drawn carriages to reach other places. At the destination post office, the postman delivers the letter to the correct home or office. The postal system has the credit for laying the foundation for modern communication and delivery networks. Thank you. See you soon with another video.